In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Steam games patching for too long. Whether you're stuck waiting forever for updates to finish, or you simply want to get back into your favorite game without endless delays, this quick and effective guide will help you solve the problem once and for all. First, let's start by opening your Task Manager. If you're on Windows, just press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time, and then choose Task Manager from the list. Once it's open, scroll through the list of running applications until you find Steam. It's usually near the top since it uses quite a bit of memory during updates. Click on it once to highlight it, then select End Task. This completely closes Steam and stops any background processes that might be stuck or frozen. Next, go ahead and reopen Steam and log back into your account. Sometimes a simple restart can clear out temporary glitches or patching errors. Once you're logged back in, click on Steam at the top left corner of your screen and choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings window, find the Download section on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see an option labeled Clear Download Cache. Click on it. This helps reset Steam's download system and removes any corrupted or incomplete data that could be causing the patch to hang. Don't worry, you'll just need to sign in again afterward, and your games will stay right where they are. Now go back to your library and find the game that's been stuck patching. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the new window that appears, click on the Installed Files tab. You'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Go ahead and click that. Steam will now check every single file in your game's installation folder to make sure nothing is missing or broken. If it finds any corrupted files, it'll automatically fix or replace them for you. Once that's done, close the window and restart Steam one more time. This final refresh helps apply any new changes and ensures the update system is running cleanly again. After this restart, your game patches should complete much faster, and you'll be back in action before you know it. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to fix slow Steam patching issues quickly and efficiently. No more endless waiting or stuck updates. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and hey, help your fellow gamers fix their patching problems too.